Hello lovely people, we've arrived in Rome and I'm ready to live my best pasta and pizza life. I'll show you our little room. We're in here for 2 days and then we're moving to a triple room because my dad is coming. I'm here with my mum this time. Not exactly a solo trip, a little family trip, but yeah. So this is the room, there's a closet, the bed, mum's sitting there. Hello in the mirror. And someone's having an emergency outside. We'll just focus. This is the street from our room. So pretty. So that was like some of the most delicious pizza I've ever had. It was from this place called Pinzette, which is like to do with like the style of pizza that we had. It was pinza, which means stretched. So it's kind of like an oval shape compared to like the round shape. So yeah, off to the central market now. Hey guys, I am in bed now after the markets and stuff. Sorry, this afternoon we came back and had a nap. We were just so tired, and then we went out for dinner and just popped to the supermarket on the way back. Nothing too exciting, and yeah, I'm gonna do some shopping tomorrow I think, as mum was looking for some a jacket and some boots, and I'm just looking. So signing off for day 1 in Rome, and I'll see you tomorrow. Good morning. Oh my god, I look like a piece of poo. But I'm just showing you our breakfast. We decided to go for something like simple today, so we didn't have to like get up early and go out and all that stuff. So we got this mixed granola with yogurt thing, and it comes with a little spoon because it's staying in a hotel room, but it does have a little mini fridge, so that's a really good option if you just want something quick and easy for breakfast, if you're not a big breakfast person but you need something to eat before you go out. kind of haven't spoken to camera for a few days. Yesterday we just did like the Vatican and the Colosseum and stuff like that. And then today, yeah, we are going to this museum. We're in the Leonardo da Vinci Museum, and then we go to watch a football game because my dad wants to, and then we're going to a pizza making class tonight. So that should be fun. So yeah, what to do on a rainy day in Rome. Pizza dough and we are waiting to make the shape of the pizza because we're using dough from yesterday because we have to wait for our dough to rise basically. Hi Mum. Hi Dad.
Oh, hello there. Welcome to our restaurant here in Rome.
Okay, thanks Dad. So good. Hello everybody, we arrived in Florence. We took the train from Rome, took about an hour and a half-ish, and we took a short walk now, 5 minutes from the train station to the Piazza di Santa Maria Novella, and it's right outside the Santa Maria Basilica, which is right here. Yeah, what to do on a rainy day in Rome. What to do on a rainy day in Florence. And yeah, then we're going to continue walking, maybe see another basilica, go to a market and a bunch of stuff. So yeah, here's what to do in Florence. Having a little sandwich from this place. It's just back there somewhere. Really good. Love some salty cured porkness.